Home buyers often ask me exactly what earnest money is. So your earnest money is a deposit that will be credited toward the payment of the house at settlement that you provide at the beginning of the process. So once you have submitted an offer and it's been approved, your earnest money is due. Now, in a scenario where you are doing home inspections, at least in our area in Pennsylvania, there end up usually being two earnest money deposits. The first one is sort of a, yes, I'm really interested in this. I'd like the seller to know that and take the house off the market, but I'm still doing inspections. So in that scenario, depending on the value of the home, it might be somewhere like $5,000. And the reason it's not that big is that if somebody is doing inspections and they may terminate the contract, they don't want to have transferred a large sum out of their bank or had to liquidate stocks or something like that if it's going to be returned in the event of a termination. If there is only one deposit because there are no inspections, that earnest money could be 6 or 7% or even more of the total purchase price of the home. Getting back to the first example, if there are inspections, that second deposit combined with the first deposit also usually is expected to be somewhere in that 6 or 7%, but it's not set. It depends. If somebody's only putting 5% down total, then obviously their earnest money is not going to be more than that. But this is just sort of an average, typical, I guess, case scenario. So that earnest money is held either by the listing brokerage or by the title company. And at settlement, if it's held by the listing brokerage, the listing agent contacts her broker and makes sure that that money is sent to the title company so that it's included in the monies that you have brought to settlement. And obviously, if it's held by the title company to begin with, it's already there. So those monies are used towards your settlement. And in the event that you terminate a deal within whatever the restrictions are and you are entitled to, then in most cases, you should get all of your earnest money back. I say in most cases because there are scenarios when a seller may dispute that you're actually permitted to get your money back based on the specific circumstances. But in theory, if you terminate within the terms and conditions that are agreed to in the contract, all of your earnest money should be returned to you.